Peaks and Valleys: Integrative Approaches for Recovering from Loss. Written by Sherry O'Brien, LCSW, NBCCHT, DCEP. Narrated by Eva Hamilton. Preface. Within this book, you'll be introduced to several cutting-edge integrative modalities, which are currently supported by ongoing research. Although several of these techniques have been around for thousands of years, these modalities have not been extensively researched by Western medicine and psychological communities. For more information or further research on the various techniques presented here, please visit www.energypsych.org and follow the links provided. For additional information on any authors mentioned in this book, please refer to the References and Recommended Reading section. The tools shared in this book are not meant to replace professional counseling or medical treatment. Neither the author nor the publisher will be responsible or liable for any loss or damages arising from any of the information or suggestions presented in this book. Do not stop taking any prescribed medication without first consulting your healthcare professional, even if you feel the medication is no longer necessary. Please enjoy these tools of transformation with an open mind and heart. Introduction. Many losses go unrecognized or are subtle. Some are life-changing. Whether you have lost a loved one, a relationship, or a job, the energy of grief often weighs heavily upon your heart, making it difficult to enjoy life after a loss. Nevertheless, loss is often misunderstood and is frequently prevalent among those suffering from chronic illness and other life experiences. Grief is both an emotion and a process. If grief is left untreated or unacknowledged, its effects can accumulate, causing psychological blocks that may interfere with one's ability to enjoy life. Today, it is more important than ever to understand the process of recovery from loss, as many individuals struggle with unemployment, loss of home, individual lifestyle, status, loved ones, and so forth. Loss is unique because all individuals will eventually experience it in some form or other. Whenever there is any kind of attachment, if the bond or connection is broken, a loss cannot be avoided. Even when this disconnect is beneficial, such as a recovery from addiction, a loss can occur. The loss of friends, family, activities, and coping behaviors that were once acceptable are now severed. When an event occurs that destroys our understanding of the meaning of life, our beliefs and expectations come under attack, and we experience loss. Dreams may fade away as we age. Goals may become unattainable, and a sense of loss can occur. Physical limitations, illnesses, and disabilities may create a sense of loss. Such losses may be gradual or sudden. Unfortunately, many individuals are unaware they have experienced a loss. Therefore, they ignore or deny the emotional process of grieving, and the energy of these emotions become frozen within. As these emotions accumulate, they can cause each subsequent loss to be even more difficult to process. This book is designed to help the reader release the burden associated with loss and once again awaken to the joy in life. In Part 1, I discuss various types of losses and perhaps shine some light on those losses that often go unrecognized. A brief overview of the different theoretical perspectives on grief and loss is shared, as well as some of the myths associated with these perspectives. In Part 2, I provide the reader with an overview of the mind-body-spirit connection among those suffering from grief and loss. This is designed to deepen the reader's understanding of this connection and provide a framework for addressing this distress using the various techniques presented in Part 3 of this book. In Part 3, the reader will be taken on a journey of transformation using the integrative tools of energy psychology, energy medicine, rituals for healing, guided imagery, and meditation. I have successfully used these tools in various forms with my clients, workshop retreat participants, and on myself to transcend the energy of grief and loss.